Now we turn into ground mount. Some buildings are not well suited to solar installation on the roof because of the size of the system, the orientation of the system. In these cases, we go out to the backyard. And in the backyard, we look at this as a regular ground mounting. Should be flat. But I want to point your attention to something very interesting in this particular picture. In the picture, we see trees behind the panels, trees behind the structure. We know the direction of the sun. The sun faces the panels from the south. The trees are in the back. Dust cannot land on the panels. They are pointing to the south / to the sun, and behind it there's a wall of trees preventing dust from going in. This is an advantage, but it's also a disadvantage, because as less wind coming from behind, less wind is going underneath the panels. So the panels will be less cool. Temperature will go up. Not only that it's facing the sun, but there's lack of ventilation from back because of the walls of trees. It's nothing to do with the mounting as a mounting. But when we talk about backyards, ground mounting of PV system in backyards, we need to talk about shading and ventilation.